guys, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to today's daily cleaning motivation video. Today we are going to be cleaning the living room, the kitchen, and one load of laundry. Yesterday's motivation video was about the restroom, the office, and hair cabinet organization. So if you guys missed yesterday's video, please check that out. I will have it in the description down below.
However, there is one thing you're all forgetting. That endless morning will turn to night. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing around. Baby, there is only one way, and that's to slow decay. Get a little earthy with me. I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah. You beat the slow decay. You don't know what I'm saying. Life, it is confusing. Longer if you're choosing right. Read between the lines, it doesn't really matter. All that we possess is time. You know it's funny how you keep running away from slumber, although you can't. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing around. Baby, there is only one way, and that's the slow decay. Get a little earthy with me. I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah. You beat the slow decay. Baby, there is only
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no.
So if you guys do enjoy today's video, please be sure to give it a like. It will help out the channel so much, and it will also let me know if you guys like these types of videos based on how I'm recording or the topics I may be going over. And also, please come back tomorrow. I upload every single day, and I would love for you to join the community of I Am Supernatural Mom. Love you guys. Bye.
Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the